Hello, this is Ben from China. Some people ask me what can be done with this rotary knob on the control panel. Let me show you, okay? Firstly, we need to configure the devices that are compatible with rotary knob controlling. Okay, we click the settings and then smart home. On the top, you can see the rotary knob, and we click inside to configure. As default, you can use the rotary knob to adjust the volume of the panel. Okay, you can see rotate right to increase the volume, and rotate left to decrease the volume. Okay, and we can see here the Add Device button. We click inside. Okay, we can see the devices or groups that are supported to be controlled by the rotary knob. Okay, for example, we click inside, click all. You can see there are three devices that can be added: the curtain robot, and the candle lamp 1 and candle lamp 2. Okay, we click curtain robot, for example, and click OK. Then the curtain robot is added to be controlled by this rotary knob. Again, if you need to add more devices that support it, for example, we check the groups or device, and only the group of the candle lamps can be added. Okay, we tick it up and add it. Okay, now we go back to the home screen, and you can try take the robot. Okay, and we press this low knob to switch between controlling different devices. Okay, now the brightness, we control the candle lamps group, the brightness. Okay, brighter or dimmer. And if we click here, we can also switch to control the light's color temperature. Okay, cooler temperature or warmer. Okay, so that's how this rotary knob works. Okay.